Okay, CAT 2019 question. A direct question can be solved by using option. इसको लगता है कि CAT tough है, वो यहाँ पर देखो. In first case, how much she scored? 40% marks, and then her score is increased by what? 50% on 40%. So 40% में और 50% मतलब 40% का आधा. That means now she got what? 60% marks. And in 60% she failed by how much? 35 marks. That means somewhere here we have passing marks. And when she scored even 60% marks, she failed by how much? 35 marks. And after that she again goes to the professor कि sir और बढ़ाओ. So professor says कि I will increase your marks by how much? 20%. That means on 60%, 20% means 12% more, right? She got 72% marks. And when she got 72% marks, she got how much marks? 7 marks more than the passing marks. Now what is the question? Find the percentage score needed for passing the examination. That means this we have to find out, right? Now, can we say passing percentage will be less than 72 and will be more than 60? Which option is less than 72 and more than 60? That's your answer. Using number line. Understood? So this is an actual CAT question. Don't even need 30 seconds to answer this question.